What's up guys, Dean here. We've all been there, that feeling of satisfaction after a great workout, only to be met with the dreaded muscle soreness a day or two later. That soreness, my friends, is called Delayed Onset Muscle Soreness, or DOMS for short. It's that ache you feel in your muscles after pushing them harder than usual. DOMS is a natural response to microscopic tears that occur in your muscle fibers during exercise. It's actually a sign that your body is adapting and getting stronger. But let's be real, while that soreness might feel rewarding, it can also be a real pain, literally. That's why in this video I'm sharing my top 5 expert-backed strategies to help you manage and even prevent muscle soreness. We're going to dive deep into actionable tips that you can start implementing right away to optimize your recovery and keep you crushing your fitness goals. Let's get right into it. One of the biggest mistakes I see is going from 0 to 100 in workouts. Enthusiasm is great, but your muscles don't agree. Overloading muscles too quickly leads to serious soreness. Gradual progression is key. Give your body time to adapt. Start light and increase intensity over time. Like climbing a ladder, one step at a time. The same applies to workouts. Piedmont Healthcare emphasizes gradual progression. Increase workout intensity by no more than 10% per week. This allows muscles to adapt and get stronger, less soreness, more enjoyable workouts. Let's talk about stretching. Strategic stretching optimizes flexibility, reduces muscle tension, and minimizes soreness. Warm up with dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. This increases blood flow, preparing muscles for the workout. After your workout, switch to static stretching. Hold stretches for 20-30 seconds to improve flexibility and reduce tightness. Experts recommend combining both types for injury prevention and muscle recovery. Now, you might be thinking, Dean, you just told me to push my muscles and now you're telling me to take it easy? Make up your mind. But hear me out, guys. Active recovery is not about being lazy. It's about promoting blood flow and speeding up the recovery process. When you engage in low-intensity activities like walking, swimming, or yoga on your rest days, you're helping to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles while flushing out metabolic waste products. Think of it like this. Imagine your muscles are like sponges. When you work out, they get filled with metabolic byproducts. Active recovery is like gently squeezing those sponges, allowing fresh nutrients to flow in and waste products to be removed. Plus, active recovery helps to reduce muscle stiffness, improve flexibility, and prevent those post-workout blues. It's a win-win situation. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good massage? No, but did you know that massage therapy can be a powerful tool for muscle recovery? Whether you opt for a professional massage or use self-massage techniques like foam rolling, massage therapy can work wonders in alleviating muscle tension, reducing soreness, and improving range of motion. Foam rolling in particular has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's a cost-effective and convenient way to target specific muscle groups and release those pesky knots. According to Verywell Health, a trusted online resource for health information, foam rolling can help to break up scar tissue, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to faster muscle recovery. So, next time you're feeling sore, grab a foam roller or treat yourself to a professional massage. Your muscles will thank you. You can't expect your muscles to recover properly if you're not providing them with the right nutrients, right? Proper nutrition and hydration are absolutely essential for muscle repair and growth. Protein in particular is crucial for rebuilding those microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Make sure you're consuming enough protein throughout the day, especially after your workouts. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, lentils, and tofu. Hydration is equally important. Water plays a vital role in transporting nutrients to your muscles and flushing out waste products. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Verywell Health emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet, rich in protein and adequate hydration for optimal muscle recovery and overall health. So there you have it, guys. My top 5 strategies for mastering muscle soreness. Remember, it's all about listening to your body, being patient, and implementing these expert-backed tips into your routine. By gradually progressing your workouts, incorporating stretching, prioritizing active recovery, indulging in massage therapy, and fueling your body with the right nutrients and hydration, you'll be well on your way to minimizing soreness and maximizing your fitness potential. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome fitness content, and leave a comment down below letting me know which strategy you're most excited to try. Keep pushing, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next video.